both wheels are cut. They'll just need a sanding to the line, and yeah, then drilling the hole. Wheels done. Next, I'll have to drill holes in the wheels and in the legs for these bolts. Next, I'm gonna drill the hole into the leg. Now the other side. And done. So I'm pretty much done with cutting everything. So next will be about sanding it all down to 120 grit. So I'll do that. Next I'm gonna cut these to length. This is just a practice one. Okay, that's 2 of these done, and now I'm gonna drill the holes. Finish it off from the other side. This is ready. Next, we'll be cutting the circles here. See how it fits. Oh, that's good. Next, I've cut 4 of these, and they will be used for the drinks table on the side of the sun lounger. So what I need to do is round the corners and edges, and then they'll be attached to the sun lounger with 3 pins, which will be made from this wood. So it will go through all of these 4 and into the main frame of the sun lounger. So after I round it, I will have to drill 3 holes, 3 sets of lines. So it's going to be more like 12 holes into these. Okay, so I have marked out where all the holes will be. So let's drill some. I turn it around and go from the other side as well, which I already started. Okay, that's it. 1 hole done. On to the other ones. So I have drilled all the holes in this. Next, I'm gonna drill the holes into the frame. Turn it around and do the other side. all 3 holes cut. And looks like they are fairly in line, so should be good. Now I'm gonna drill holes for pins like this. Pin is gonna go in like this. I'm gonna cut to this size, just slightly longer. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same on the top of the sun lounger frame. This is the table, and I'm gonna put some tea coil on it. Alright, so everything has been cleaned with white spirit to get the dust off. Okay, next I'm gonna be putting these sticks in here. Time to put these two together. Go. Now the other one. Okay, time to do the top rail. Okay, let's take these off and cut the dowels off. And I'll repeat the same on the bottom. Next I'm gonna glue the table, the drinks table, to the side, and I put spacers on the table so that it is nicely spaced out, this, and yeah, I need some glue and these pins. another rail on the side of the frame of the sun lounger. Okay, so next I'm gonna glue the legs into the frame. Next I'm gonna glue the remaining bits of the rail to the frame. So we've got this one and this one. Okay, so here we have the whole frame ready just to be put together. Glue the top and the bottom, and then that's the frame done. Next is gonna be the lounger or lounging part of the sun lounger. It's gonna be quite tricky because it's a lot of slates. So let's try. Let's see how it's gonna go. Here we have both pieces of the sun lounger just glued up, waiting for the glue to dry up, and then it's gonna be gluing and attaching the bar here, and then it's done. Last step will be to put these wheels on. Done. Right, the moment of truth. Assembly. See whether it all fits. Please don't break. Finally.